From their humble research space in Dunedin, local scientists are making life-changing discoveries. Professor Philip Hill and Dr. Tin Lin Ong are working to identify the genetic basis for drug-resistant tuberculosis. They're focusing on Indonesia and Myanmar, where TB is endemic.
So in somewhere like Indonesia, there are around 200 or 300 per 100,000 people per year. So that equates to, somewhere in the 500,000 cases of TB per year.
Dr. Ong's from Myanmar and is passionate about improving the country's TB statistics.
This is not just a number for me now, it's all about the 600 different stories, how we can treat these patients and how I can contribute in a way that I can for my country.
Along with another local professor, these two are trying to better understand drug-resistant strains of TB so they can be more quickly identified and effective treatment administered. The Health Research Council's awarded $450,000 in joint funding to the project, which aims to get better diagnosis equipment where it's really needed.
So you can imagine a tool for TB being only ever utilised in New Zealand on 200 or 300 patients a year, whereas the place where we really need it is where there are millions of patients every year.
It usually takes weeks to diagnose drug-resistant TB, leaving thousands without effective treatment. That's fatal for many, and where demand for this local solution comes in.
So it's quite exciting that we could possibly have that working on the ground in a place like Myanmar or Indonesia, where it's most needed.
We hope to get more funding from other funding bodies so that not only in Myanmar but also in other TB prevalence countries we can save life.
Making a difference offshore while strengthening Otago's reputation for research excellence. Rosie Mannins, 39, Dunedin News.